Guys, long time ago I made the videos with a bad trap. Check it if you haven't seen that yet. There you can see how easily the trap cope with different objects. Soft, fragile, and even solid. But I really wonder whether the trap will cope with something rubber. For example, Vac Man, who was able to survive the molten copper shower. Let's check how the trap works on something simple and soft. Wow, as you can see, the trap easily copes with this chocolate egg. And how do you like that in slow motion? But now it's Vac Man's turn. What do you think will happen? Okay, it seems he is ready. But guys, let's wish him good luck. And let's do that. Jeez, had you seen that? It seemed that Vac Man won't be able to run anymore, but I'll try to fix it for the next video. And I will show in my next videos the most crazy unusual ideas or comments for my new experiments. So be sure to share your thoughts. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care. Hey dude, are you okay? Can you walk?